How to view all photos and on Android in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store on your phone, on your Android as well as on iPhone. Now you have to open the Google Photos app on your phone. In this way you can see the Google Photos app on your phone. And before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to view all photos on Android and on iPhone in Google Photos. You can see at the bottom there is an option of sharing. You have to click on sharing. Now you can see that how to view all photos in Google Photos. Your library here, you can see here an option of view all. You have to click on view all. In this way you have just these photos on your Google Photos account. If you have many more, then you will see all the photos by clicking on view all on your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.